Good morning, Mike here, the Fresh Rinse. Hope you're well. I'm on a roof in Lebanon, Ohio. This is one of 5 stops today. I had 6 and 1 postponed on me. Yesterday I had 7 opportunities and 1 postponed on me. I was happy about that. It's been a minute since I have posted a video, and for good reason. I've just been slammed, just overwhelmed, to be honest with you. I don't know how Joe and some of the other guys wash 5, 6, and 7 opportunities a day and still video. I don't get it. But here we are on this roof, single story, about as easy as it gets. The gutters were already cleaned out. My only obstacle is this heavy moss here. I'm going to take a ball valve. It's not terribly thick. I'm going to take a ball valve and do a little rinsing from the top down, just to knock off some of the heavy stuff. I don't have an itchy or a scratchy tool. Who names their tools? That's just, I don't know, you have to be awfully lonely to do that. And then I'm shooting a 6% because I want to get out of here. I know it doesn't look like it right now, but we are expecting heavy storms at some point today. So when we get through with these 5 opportunities, don't go anywhere. Okay, I have most of the heavy moss off of the roof and out of the gutter. And now I'm going to lay a 6% on this section of the roof. This is going to take a few heavy rainfalls to see a great transition here. I don't have a lot of surfactant in this, but the roof is not steep in the least. All of the downspouts have been taken care of. All of the vegetation has been watered, so we're good to go. I'm already seeing a good transition in this area that's not covered with moss. Should come out looking brand new. I have lowered the solution base to about 4% for the remaining areas of the roof that just aren't that bad and do not require as potent of a solution mix. I said earlier that I just haven't had time to post videos, that I don't know how certain people do it, but I've got to thinking about it. I don't have a Lauren and a Patch and a Quinn and a Tony and a father-in-law to hold my camera for me. I mean, seriously, folks, seriously. How lazy do you have to be to hire a camera crew? Come on, man. Come on. All right. Hey, I appreciate you watching. And again, I apologize for not posting any more videos than what I have. Just been overwhelmed with opportunities, for which I am extremely grateful. I love these walkable roofs. As long as you can follow a wet line, then you can see where you've been, and makes things go pretty darn easy. All right, Mike, the Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.